everyone, my name is Sakshi Tomar from Founders Card, and today I am here to explain how a company, either it's a private limited company or a public limited company or a one person company, can close itself if the company is not running from the date of incorporation or if there is no business in last 2 years. So a company can voluntarily file the form STK2, that is for strike off of the company, to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So there is a process that we need to follow to complete and to close the company. Let's start the process for the closure of a private limited company by the director. So here is a step-by-step procedure to closure of a private or public limited company. First of all, we have to check the mandatory requirements. So the mandatory requirement is extinguishing all the liabilities. You have to clear all the liabilities of your company. Second is taking approval from the members by share special resolution and consent by 75% member of paid up capital of the company. Third is require no objection certificate from appropriate regulatory authority whichever the company is governed. So now, what is the provision as per the Companies Act? So let's move for the provision. The provision is strike off is governed by subsection 2 of section 248 along with the company's removal of name of the companies from registrar. So this is the section. An application for removal of a name of the company under section 242 subsection 2 shall be made in the form STK2 along with the fees of rupees 10,000 rupees, provided that no application in form STK2 shall be filed by the company unless it has filed overdue return in AOC4, that is a financial annual filing return of a company. That company need to file, close this company. First of all, they have to file the form of annual compliances. After that, they are eligible to file the form for closure of the company. So any company can strike off whichever it's a private limited company, one person company, public company, section 8 company. Either if it is a dormant company can also file for STK2 strike off of the company. So now we are moving further for voluntary application to strike off of a company. A company can pass a special resolution or obtain the consent of 75% of members to file an application to ROC for removing its name from the registrar of company. So first of all, you have to conduct a board meeting, and to conduct a board meeting, you have to call the board meeting. So first of all, you have to prepare the notice for calling the board meeting, and after that you will call a EGM and pass the special resolution. Now, restriction for filing of voluntary application to strike off by the company. The company cannot apply for the strike off of the company as there is some restriction that is imposed by the company law. So, any time in past 3 months has made a disposal for the value of rights or property held by it immediately before the cessation of a trade. The company has shifted its registered office from one state to another state or changed its name. So the company cannot file for the strike off or for the name change at least after 3 months after that change. The company has filed an application to NCLT for sanctioning of an arrangement or compromise. Company has engaged in other activity except that one is expedient or necessary for making an application, and it is a chapter 20 that we need to check. Now let's move further for the step-by-step procedure. First of all, you have to call a board meeting, and to call a board meeting you have to prepare a notice to call a board meeting. So this is the draft according to which you have to prepare the notice to call meeting, and after dispatch the notice within 7 days you have to conduct the board meeting. So you have when the board has came to the meeting, you have to check the quorum, whether proper quorum is present for the passing the resolution or not. You have to, in the board meeting you have to do two things. First is passing the special resolution for consider the closure of the company. Second is prepare the notice and get it signed by the directors of the company and circulate it to the shareholder of the company at least before 21 days from the date of the general meeting. So here you can give a shorter notice, but for that you have to take a shorter notice consent at least from the 90% of shareholder of the company, and in that case you can conduct the meeting at a shorter notice also. So this is the format for the board resolution. You have to prepare the format according to this. Now after convening the annual general extraordinary general meeting, you have to pass a resolution for application to registrar of company to remove the name of the company. So this is the draft for the extract of the extraordinary general meeting. You have to prepare accordingly. Then After passing the special resolution, what you need to do? A company need to file the form MGT14 for a special resolution. So we have given this link. You can click on the link and download the form MGT14. And after downloading the form and save it on your desktop, what you need to do? You have to fill here the SIN number of the company, and after that you will click here on prefill. When you click here on prefill, all the company name, address and mail ID automatically filled here. After that you have to select here registration of, whether registration of resolution or what. You have to select resolution, and then you have to fill here the date of the passing or dispatch of the notice, and here the date of the passing of special resolution. And now you have to fill here the purpose, and in purpose you have to fill here 1, and after that you have to select here the purpose of the strike off of the company, that is closure. So you will select that, and after that you have to select the whether the authority passing special resolution is shareholder, and then here special resolution. So attachment to the MGT14 is certified true copy of the board resolution, certified true copy of the special resolution, and notice and explanatory statement of extraordinary general meeting. Now the last and the final step is filing the form STK2 within 30 days from the date of passing of the special resolution. So you can click on the link and download the form, and this is the form STK2. Here you can fill the SIN number of the company and click on prefill. After prefill, what you need to do, you have to give here the whether the company is listed or not. You have to select according to your company. Then you have to select whether the company has been delisted. You have to select here whether any RBI compliances is regulatory activities is pending, yes and no, and then you have to fill here whether company has passed special resolution. You have to select here yes, and after that you have to give in here the brief description of the business activity of your company, and then you have to fill here the details of the directors of the company, the number of directors. You can fill here 2, 3, 4, whatever your company have, and after that you have to fill here their information. Like after clicking here on DIN number, you have to fill here DIN number and then click on prefill. Same you will do for all the directors of the company, and at last you have to attach the attachment. The attachment for the STK2 is indemnity bond duly notarized in STK3, affidavit in STK4, and statement of assets and liabilities of the company, that is certified by the chartered accountant, special resolution copy, board resolution copy, latest ITR of the company, and any other document that is implied on the company and that is pending. You have to attach each and everything here for the closure of your company. So this is the complete process for the closure of the company, and after that you have to upload the form on Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Here you can go, you can go on the website Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then you have to click here for sign in and sign up, and then here you can click here and here you can fill your login ID and password, and after filling login ID and password you will check and you will go on MCA services and my workplace, where you can upload the form and make the payment of fees of rupees 10,000 rupees. So this is the complete process for striking of your company from the registrar, and if you need any professional assistant and professional help, you can coordinate in our website, that is www.founderscard.in. Hope this video will help you to close your company by your own. Thank you so much.